Today we will be discussing radiation. You may be asking, what exactly is radiation? Well, radiation is electromagnetic waves or subatomic particles with high energy. We know three types of radiation: alpha, beta, and gamma. Behind me is an electromagnetic wave chart. As the wavelength decreases from left to right, the frequency increases. This is due to our formula for frequency, which is the speed of light over wavelength. Gamma radiation is the most harmful form of radiation due to its short wavelength. Hence, when you are exposed to gamma radiation, you are hit by its waves at a more frequent rate. Alpha particles are composed of helium atoms without the electrons. This gives the alpha particle a 2+ charge. The 2+ charge plays in a role how far it can go. Alpha particles can travel about an inch away from its source. Alpha particles are easily stopped from their density. All you need is your clothes. Beta particles are composed of electrons. Electrons are negatively charged, which means the beta particle is able to travel further than the alpha particle, being it's less dense. What you need to stop a beta particle is plastic or aluminum. Gamma radiation is a little bit different than alpha and beta. This is due to the fact that gamma radiation is an electromagnetic wave, whereas alpha and beta are particles. The only way we are able to stop gamma radiation is lead. This is due to the fact that lead has such a high density. So now we know what radiation is, but where does it come from? Well, it comes from the banana you eat in the morning or the rays that the sun emits. Radiation is all around us. The average adult gets about 6,000 microsieverts of radiation per year. That sounds like a lot, but being it's over a long period of time, the radiation isn't harmful. Let's go inside and examine this further. So the average radiation that we absorb is 6,000 microsieverts per year. So how do we get this radiation? Well, like I said before, a banana has radiation. A banana has about 0.1 microsieverts. So if you eat a banana every day for a whole year, you're absorbing 36.5 microsieverts. That still doesn't add up to the 6,000, right? Well, anytime you go outside, you're absorbing about 10 microsieverts of radiation per day. So if you go out every day like you should, you're absorbing 3,650 microsieverts. That still doesn't add up to the 6,000, right? Well, you get radiation from going to the doctor, the dentist. When you get the x-rays done, you're absorbing radiation, even though they have the lead vests on you. So that sounds scary, right? Well, don't worry. A lethal dose is about 8 million microsieverts. We're not going to come in contact with that. So now we know what radiation is and where it comes from. I'm going to go enjoy my radiation.